When you said you would never leave, you took me more, so much more than the time you whispered in my ears. There was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you would be forever. Then we will be saying that I was hurt. Did you really want me to forget yesterday? And I prayed that you would stay, but then you're gone and I'm so far away. I was afraid that my life pinagkalat